Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Right now the crypto market is at a very critical stage. This is going to be the make or break situation, especially for Dogecoin. If you guys do not know, the price has just fallen short from 13 cents and the support has been broken. If we talk about the trading volume, it has exceeded the expectations by pushing over 1.7 billion. There are some catalysts. First of all, the chart is starting to show a really strong breakout about to happen. On the other end, Dogecoin enters an ideal accumulation zone and the US lawmakers accuse SEC of misleading the government against Ethereum. Now that's a lot of things to cover, but before we get into all of that, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Right now, I have been mentioning this and you need to pay attention to that as well. We need to increase the social engagement of Dogecoin as much as possible, and if there is any other YouTuber that you watch that specifically talks about Dogecoin, support them by dropping a like, and not just me. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys something interesting. On Twitter, I noticed some people talking about how Dogecoin has fallen so significantly, now it's not going to be making a recovery. Well, look at the trading volume, it's up 50%. It is the 9th most traded crypto in the world right now, and it is sitting close to 10% when it comes to trading volume to the market cap ratio. So this is a big deal. There is a lot of people which are buying up this scoop, but at the same time, if you look at the open interest, it just took another big hit with a 13% decline. It's fallen just short of 600 million, which is a significant dip, but the trading volume is not the important thing that we should be paying attention to. Rather, it is the open interest, because these are the people who want to make short-term profit. If there is way too many people, that's going to be causing the market to become more volatile. And right now you guys can see that the liquidations just in the last 24 hours is sitting close to 17 million, and 15.5 or above 15.5 came just from the long positions. Now the long position to the short position ratio is also starting to favor the long position by a significant amount, even though we just noticed a 15 million dip, and there's still 76% which are still sitting in the bull market. Now I just want to show you guys this. It may not feel or look like it is right now, but Dogecoin is very bullish. I mean, overall you can see the left shoulder and the right shoulders have been created with the head, and now most likely the breakout will be happening. When the breakout happens, it will push us probably back to the 17.5 zone. If you guys have been paying attention to that, that's usually where Dogecoin price has seen a little bit of resistance, and that's where we will be, retesting, and then there will be a little bit of pullback, and then we will be seeing a more push forward. Now, as I mentioned before, breaking below the 13 cent mark was a very scary situation. We're still there, it's not like it's gone, but we need to make sure that we're able to make this reversal as soon as possible. We do not want to be below the 13 cent barrier, and as I mentioned, if we're just able to follow the pattern, we will be going back all the way to 17.5 before we retest around 15, and then we will be able to see the move forward. Now this is what's being built right now. I mean, it's very clear. You guys can see it's an inverse pattern which is being created, but you do need to be a little patient. If you decide to panic sell, that's going to be causing the whole market to shift downwards, and I know for a fact that you guys, all of you, do not want to see the Dogecoin price going down. At the same time, this is an accumulation zone. Is it time to buy Dogecoin? And the simple answer is yes. Historically, Dogecoin recovery occurs at -9% to -21%, and therefore Doge accumulated by investors at the current price will likely bear profit once recovery initiates. So just below 13 cents is a very good time to buy in. Now, US lawmakers accuse SEC chairman of misleading Congress on Ethereum classification. Now, you guys know they have been trying to classify Ethereum as a security, and let's just say they're not very happy when the government said, oh, the court doc revealed that the SEC probably Ethereum as a security before the testimony, and pushed the crypto legislation amid the Ethereum security controversy. So right now this is becoming a really big deal. Why is this a big deal and why is this positive for crypto? Is because SEC actually has someone that's actually looking upon them and saying, why are you doing something like this? And this is going to obviously have a positive impact on crypto. Talking about some whales, I want to show you guys this. So this whale on the 1st of April, I mean, you guys can see they did decide to be very active in the month of April, but May has just begun and $1.2 million worth of Dogecoin was purchased at the 12.4 cent, which is where we are sitting right now. So the accumulation is still going on. At the same time, Binance founder makes history as the richest prisoner in US. If you guys do not know, this is a very big deal. 4 months of prison for him is going to be a big deal, and let's just say his net worth is close to 43 billion, and this is one of the driving factors of this market rally that we received, or actually the sell-off we received is a better word. Now this is another whale which I want to show you, which is the 5th largest holder of Dogecoin, and they are being really interesting as they're selling and buying such small digits, but in the long term, I personally feel like they're still trying to accumulate as much Dogecoin as possible. Now, since 2019 to 2021, and 2022 to 2024, and you can see that the MACD actually clearly shows that we're just building up initially before we see an explosive move from Dogecoin. Now look at the 12-month chart and tell me it is bearish. I mean, it's very clear. It's been following the same pattern every single time. The next 12 months are going to be one of the driving factors of the Dogecoin market, and also that's going to be driving the crypto market. And you can see that we're still here. That's exactly what the MACD was showing as well. Now Dogecoin whales stockpile millions amid the plummeting price. What does this mean? Well, let's just say when the recovery happens, it will be very quick, because right now it's just the bear and also the bull which are just trying to cancel each other out. But in the future, once that is gone and we have gotten out of the consolidation phase, and especially the traders which got liquidated finally move out of the way, the price will be recovering really quickly. Now Dogecoin founder comments on the market crash, and this comment was interesting. Man, crypto sucks, but you need to be a little bit better and make sure that you manage your risk. And finally, Dogecoin in April, low demand, falling sentiment, but what can the price do for the recovery? And most likely May is going to be a little bit more positive month compared to April. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.